Hey guys, welcome back to episode 40 of Wearing What I Made. And I made these pants this morning. They're easy, they're a new look. It's literally just elastic waist pants with some pocket. I just think these are going to be fun to wear around this time of the year. Wear some sneakers, dress it up if I want to, and I'm going to make some other ones as well. Finally wearing the jacket. This is the Know Me jacket. I did go up a size because I wanted it to be oversized, so it's going to have like the region and stuff with the belt in. The belt is a little long as well. I also did had to add extra loop, but other than that I like it. But to be honest, because today is just a lovely day, I'm going to wear it open, and I think that's going to be a better comfy look for me today. But it just has the buttons. It has one button inside, and yeah, so I'll just be wearing it open like this and have my little bag with me. And then yeah, so I'll take you with me going to brunch with my homegirl. And yeah, so we went to Farmhouse. I have never been here. It's one of those like popular spots that a lot of people come to this area visit. But yeah, it was delicious. So I decided to go to jazz night with my friend Kayla. And we saw this band. Never saw this band before, but they were interesting. They were more on a vocal, very much smooth jazz. And so I enjoy it. I do feel like I needed more up-tempo for that night because I was exhausted from all this events, hanging out with everybody. And then I came home and did my journal and went to sleep.